Hello everyone, this is Maso and welcome to another video. I am currently in Glendale. I am going to my friend's house. As you all know that I am now living in this minivan. I recently traded my Ram Pro Master to this minivan because of my financial problem and I am struggling all the time to make payments. So I decided to just trade this Ram Pro Master to a Grand Caravan. And I will talk more about what's my experience on how I got this minivan and traded my Ram Pro Master in the next video. For now, I am going to build my cabinet and my bed frame so that it will be organized here. I already went to Lowe's and got some woods that I needed. For my flooring, I put 3/4 inches of plywood and then rag pads and top it off with linoleum so that it will be sturdy, because we all know that minivans are not always level and the back is usually higher than the middle part. And then I cut the excess rag pads to fit into the flooring. It's kind of hard to cut this rag pad and I don't have a heavy duty scissors to do it. And same thing, I cut the excess linoleum. I apologize for some video clips that are missing with the cabinet and bed frame that I am building out. But here I am building a bed frame. I got the woods that I needed to support the legs of my bed. I am going to cut the two legs in the back so that it will even out and the back won't be like higher than the front. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I just finished. I was able to cut it without taking out the bed. So I am so relieved right now and so happy that I was able to do it. And then it's so hot in here. Well, all I need to do now is to just cut my mattress because it's not fit in the bed frame, so I'm just gonna cut it. All I need to take care is the cabinet for my kitchen. It's not gonna be so hard to do it. I'm still ordering my combo sink and stove, so in the meantime I'm just gonna put the tabletop and use my old stove here while waiting, and I'm happy now. Let's check out inside. To cover the front of the van, I have this curtain rod and a blackout curtain from Target for privacy. This is going to be my kitchen, and I already started building it, but I'm still figuring out what door should I put here because I am still thinking if I should do a slide out fridge so that I can easily pull out my fridge. I made a slat bed. I am adding a pull out extension bed so that it will be comfortable for me to sleep at night and I can stretch my legs. So there you see how I build my bed and my kitchen. I am going to build the pull-out bed so that I can sleep comfortably here. And then after that, I will figure out how I'm going to do a pull-out fridge. I can just pull it out because I want the top of my fridge to be like a box for my minimal pantry that I need to use for cooking. I am also checking at Amazon some ready pull out drawers that you just install inside your cabinet. I just need to measure the width, the length, and the depth of my cabinet inside so that I can get the exact measurement of my pull out drawer, and it will be easier for me to do it like that. So I hope you enjoyed my minivan conversion, and you'll see more of my conversion until the end, and after that I will do my van tour for this minivan. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and you will also find some ideas. Let me know if you have any question about this build, and I will be happy to answer you. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching today.